Which word is incorrect in its sentence? With a question like this one, where we're being asked to select a single word that's incorrect, the first thing we want to do is see if there are any homophones among our choices. As a quick review, homophones refers to two or more words that sound the same when spoken but are written differently and have different meanings, for example, for or whale. And indeed, we see a homophone in our choices. Fourth. Spelled F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth is the number 4 when written in sequence, as in fourth in line. Spelled F-O-R-T-H, it means to move ahead. Let's take a look at the context to determine the proper spelling. We see fourth in sentence 2. It's vital to the sea life, including sea turtles, whale sharks, and hammerhead sharks, that move back and forth between the islands, looking for a place to nest or foraging for food. In this context, back and forth, we can see that the intended spelling is F-O-R-T-H, as back and forth describes the motion of moving continuously between two things, which suits this spelling. As we can see that this word is incorrect in its sentence, we can go ahead and mark choice B as our final answer.